Hey folks, happy Saturday. Welcome back to the channel. This is J Squared, J2. Today I'm doing what I typically do on a Saturday, is some little project. This project is on Mercedes. The car's about a year old now that I've had it. It's a 2014 E550. And I took it to a car show last week and we had a lot of fun. It was a great video, great time, and I put the video up last week. But there's some things I've been wanting to get to on the car, and I'm finally getting around to one of them, which are the window lift buttons. And I'll show you real quickly what's going on with that. I have like, I don't know if, you know, for your Mercedes owners, and a lot of cars I guess have this, they have like a film on top of the button with the image of what that does, whether it's a window open or lock or mirror, or even on the steering wheel for the radio controls, or on the radio and the climate control. So there's film on some of them, and I've been slowly replacing a few that had peeled. You know, the higher frequency used buttons have gotten replaced. On the window, on the doors though, for the window, I wanted to do a little upgrade. So I'm going to show you that today, how you can do that. It's really not hard, and I think it'll look nice. I want to walk you through it. So let me show you what this thing looks like. As you can see, the part here is starting to peel on the buttons. These are the windows for the door on the driver's side. I had already replaced this one because this was really messed up, and if you see the little white parts, that's actually the bottom of the button, or rather the top of the button coming up through this little piece here. So they do light up. So that's pretty cool. I didn't even think about that when I was ordering them, but what you have to do is you have to peel this back and then place the buttons up on top of them. They glue on, or rather they have a 3M tape and they go on, and I think it'll look really nice. I think the AMGs have all this in silver. They're really sharp buttons. You can see they were all peeling, and I think that looks much better. And these are paddle shifters that I added because these are really small, so I'm doing like a black and silver theme. And so here's the kit. I got this off eBay. I can't remember how much I paid for it. I'm thinking like $20-something. These go right above the buttons. As you see, that has the image. And then there's like a 3M type tape on the back. And this covers all the buttons on the door. As you see, this one is where that's for the mirror control. And so all the buttons are there, and I'm going to replace all of them. And hopefully this will come out nice. And like I said, you have to, maybe this one I won't because it's way down on the door and I don't really use that much. It's for the trunk opener. But at any rate, and these are the back windows. So I'm gonna work on this first one a little bit so you get the general gist of how this works. So you see, I'm just running this blade across, and this white part entirely lights up. So the idea is to get all of this stuff off, the original sticker, and then the other one goes on top of that. And it'll light through, sort of like this one. I had done these. So when you turn on the car, the lights come on. See if it'll come up. Ah, there you go. See how the lights come through? So that's kind of what we want to accomplish here. So I'll just go ahead and remove all this tape from all of them, and then we'll put on the silver buttons. I won't bore you with how tedious this part is. There it is, all peeled off. Don't have to really worry so much to get it perfect, but as you can see, it's all white. The ignition, the little light turns on, that's what's going to shine through the button. So it's key that you get these peeled off. And it's also a good idea to test fit it before you stick it down because they're pretty sticky, and you want to make sure you have them lined up. These are angled a little differently, so you have to make sure because all of them have different angles to them. So I lined that one up before I stuck it on, and this would be the other one for the other side. That goes over there. So just another tip to make the job a little easier for you guys. 2 down. And we just got to tackle these two, this button, and the mirrors. There's a delete here. That's for the folding. I don't have that option on this car. You can actually replace these, and I think I can actually get one to have that, and then the mirrors will fold, but I'm just gonna handle these. I'm gonna leave the passenger one alone for now because those buttons are fine, and I just want to spoil it. And there you have it, all done. I even put this one, even though that doesn't fold or doesn't, it's a dead button. Figured it looked complete, and this one I just threw on there, but I think it came out really nice, much cleaner, and it didn't take very long. So hope this helped, and do subscribe. I have more projects coming up and other mods and topics that I want to cover. So subscribe, comment, let me know what you think about this, and if you have any questions, be more than happy to help. All right, that's pretty much it for now. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon.